Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with evaporated milk. First, select a variety of your favorite fruits, such as grapes, melon, and berries, making sure they are thoroughly washed and chopped into bite-sized pieces. If using canned fruit, drain all the syrup completely. Next, ensure your evaporated milk is well chilled, as this helps achieve a creamier texture. Finally, decide on your sweetener, whether it's a touch of condensed milk or a few tablespoons of sugar. Now, let's create the delicious dressing. Take your chilled evaporated milk and pour it into a spacious mixing bowl. Slowly incorporate your sweetener, whether it's condensed milk or granulated sugar, stirring continuously until it's completely blended. It's important to taste the mixture at this stage and adjust the sweetness level to perfectly match your liking. This creamy base is what makes the fruit salad so special and refreshing. With your creamy dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Carefully add all your prepared and chopped fruits into the bowl with the evaporated milk mixture. Use a spatula to gently fold the fruits in, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated with the rich, sweet dressing. Avoid overmixing to keep the fruit intact. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your fruit salad for a minimum of 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delightful fruit salad with evaporated milk is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled as a wonderful dessert, a light snack, or even a refreshing side dish. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some shredded coconut, a few toasted nuts, or a fresh mint sprig. It truly elevates the presentation and taste. Also, for those looking to simplify their meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.